Okay, so you're welcome to this tutorial. In the last class, I already told you how to open your Gray account, and remember that the reason why we are creating a Gray account is so that we can create our UK bank account, so we can link it up to our PayPal and then withdraw our money. Okay, so I already told you how to create it. I believe this is where everybody is. So once you get to this dashboard, what you want to do is to come to this unlock more account privileges here, because you'll be required to verify this account before you can really use it and maximize all the functionalities. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to tap on this, and then you can see here begin KYC verification. So I'm just going to click on that blue button. Okay, so here, to do this, you will have to upload a copy of your valid government issues ID, like an international passport, your driver's license, or your national ID. So I'm going to be using the national ID for this demonstration, and I believe that everybody should at least have that. And if you don't have your national ID, I believe that the NIN slip should be able to work here also. So just give it a try. So I'm going to go to begin identity verification. Okay, so here we will need to upload a photo of our documents, of course our ID, and then you have to record a video of your face before they can do that. So let's go and let's get started. Okay, so here you will be required to select your country, so I'll just look for Nigeria. Okay, so here, which of them are you using? Like I said, I'm going to be using the NIN ID card. You can use any of these ones if it's available, even though someone told me that voters card works faster, but whichever one you have, give it a try. So I'm going to select the NIN ID card and confirm selection. Okay, so here I'm required to take a photo, or I already snapped it in my phone, so I'm just going to come to gallery here, and then I'm going to look for that file. Is done now. So the next thing now is to record my face. So I'm going to just I'm going to skip this portion. Now if you can see this second view here, you can see what they are trying to say. So I'm not going to record this. I don't want to record my face here, but make sure you do that, and then we'll continue from there. So you click on open camera. Alright, so once that is done, you'll see the information received correctly here. So just click on the done button. Okay, so once again, I'm going to enter my 4 digits PIN again. Okay, so you can see here your details are under review. You'll be notified once your information has been reviewed. Alright, so hopefully this should be done. So if yours is done successfully, fine, you can continue from here. So I'll just click back to home. So I can see here that our details is still under review. So I'm going to wait for this account to be fully verified, and then we can go to the next stage of this class. So check this off, make sure you get this done, and then get ready for the next class. Thank you.